How to redeem birthday gift Sephora. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you about how you can redeem your birthday gift on Sephora. If you want to redeem birthday gift of Sephora in the website, then you will have to spend $25 plus to redeem online while the supplies last. You can redeem your gift anytime during your birthday month. As you can see, these are the choices that you can receive as your gift. Beauty insiders can redeem one birthday gift per year in Sephora US and Canada stores, on Sephora.com and Sephora.ca, in Sephora at Kohl's stores, and on Kohls.com while the supply lasts. A purchase of 25 or more is required for online redemption on Sephora.com and Sephora.ca. Minimum purchase threshold determined before taxes and shipping and after all discounts have been taken. Gift selection may vary when shopping in-store or online. A birthday gift of 250 points is available in Sephora US and Canada stores and on Sephora.com and Sephora.ca only. Online exclusive birthday gifts are redeemable by VIB and Rouge clients only and are not available on Kohls.com. You can redeem 2 weeks before or after your birthday or any time during your birthday month. Birthday gift is provided as is. Some substitutions may occur. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.